guys! Today let us see how to make crispy shallow fried breadfruit or Goan style neerpansachyo phodi. For this recipe we need fresh green breadfruit. Cut, core and peel the breadfruit. You can refer to this video to know how to cut a breadfruit. The video on how to cut the breadfruit is given in description. To make nirpansachyo phodi, cut the breadfruit into 1 cm sized pieces. In today's recipe, I have used 15 slices of breadfruit. Soon after cutting and peeling, add all the breadfruit slices in water to avoid discoloration. Drain water after 15 minutes. Apply 2 teaspoon red chili powder. Red chili powder can be altered as per your taste. Half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Ensure that every breadfruit slice is covered by the spice powders. If needed, add 1 tablespoon water and mix well. Keep aside for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let us prepare rava to coat the breadfruit slices. In a plate, add 4 to 5 tablespoons rava. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt and mix well. You can also add 2 teaspoon rice flour. I have not added it in this recipe. Coat the marinated breadfruit slices in rava and keep them aside. For this recipe, I always cut breadfruit into 1 cm thick slices. If you cut thinner slices, then the cooking time will get reduced accordingly. Heat a frying pan and add 4 to 5 tablespoon oil. After oil gets heated, place the rava coated breadfruit slices in the frying pan. Spread 2 to 3 teaspoon oil on top of the breadfruit slices. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on medium to low flame. Open the lid of the frying pan and flip the breadfruit slices to the other side. Again, cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoon water on top of the breadfruit slices to speed up cooking and cover the lid of the frying pan. After 5 minutes, open the lid of the frying pan and check if the breadfruit slices are cooked. Pierce a sharp knife into the breadfruit slices. If the breadfruit slices are cooked, it will be soft. Goan style nirpansachyo phodi are ready. Serve the crispy shallow fried breadfruit with rice, dal and sabzi. If you like the recipe, please do like, comment and subscribe to Raksha's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.